Forms and surveys are one of the easiest ways to collect information from your leads and clients. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create your first form or survey inside TBM360 and then show you how to share it. It's your girl Cassiopeia, and let's get started. First, from your TBM360 dashboard, we're going to click on the Sites tab and be on the left-hand menu. Then we're going to click on Forms on the top menu. You'll also see that we have a Surveys tab right here, and the functionality is we're going to click on the Add Form button. And then you see you have two options. You can start from scratch or from templates. We're going to go ahead and start from scratch. You see that we have our drag and drop builder. And on the left-hand side over here, you're able to add fields. Full name or first name, last name, date of birth, contact information, payments, addresses, different types of text fields, elements, single drop down, multiple drop down, checkbox options, radio options, ratings, and then other customizable tools down here, and elements, images, uploading files, adding a space where people can actually make some type of monetary donation, use the number pad, date picker, and even electronic signature. Also, you can see that we have custom fields, which lets you dig a little bit deeper and be able to find more options for fields as well. So I click on this Add button right here. You'll see that we have a lot of these different options. Most of them are now on the Quick Add section, but if you need to get a little deeper or customize a little bit further, you can choose custom fields right here. And once you're ready to start adding more fields to your builder, as you can see, they've already pre-populated you with the regulars like name, phone number, email, and then the consent boxes. You can then drag over additional elements as you choose. You want to add address or site. You might want to get some information to be able to quiz or poll people with. The great thing also about both forms and surveys is it is awesome for lead capture. If you want to keep it nice, quick, and easy, you can go a little bit deeper with extremely extensive forms as long as you want, or with surveys where they have multiple pages. We can even add in headers. So we go ahead to the Customize section here and be able to click on the text, and once you click inside the element, you can then maybe say join our VIP list. Voila. And then now let's get into the actual customizations for this and make it match our brand colors. Next, you'll want to come over here to the right-hand side in the upper right-hand corner and click on these little squiggly lines, little lines with the circles, where it says styles and options. And you'll see that we can even change the layout here. It's a single column, it's two columns, it's even a single line. So then you can scroll down and maybe go to colors and backgrounds. And right here, you're able to change out your background colors, your primary colors, input text. You can add background images, like so, which is really nice. You can even add in header images. And then if we want to go ahead and customize our button here, we can click on it. And here you'd be able to change the text. Maybe I want to make that say submit. The uses, the alignments, the colors and backgrounds, add a border, whatever I like doing. Make it your own right here. And then once we're ready, we can also go ahead and decide upon what's going to happen after they click that submit. So we want to click on the settings at the top. Once you get here, you're able to decide if you want it to be a message that they see afterwards, or maybe it's going to open up a URL. or even it can just be your order is confirmed. And if it's a message, you can even go further and even customize the way this message looks as well, bolding, italicizing, changing its background colors and sizes for the fonts. You can even add in your pixel ID and the events. And one of my favorites is go ahead, click that sticky contact. So if they've ever entered their information anywhere else on your websites or in forms that you've sent out before, it'll auto-populate and they won't have to write it again. And then before we're done, we can go ahead and check out what our form is going to look like live to the consumer. And then voila, you have your amazing, beautiful form right here. I would give it one last little check just to make sure that whatever colors that you chose for the input, that they show up and they're clear to the end user. Now that we've previewed it and we liked it, we can also figure out how we want to integrate it. So we can embed it, and you can have all different types of layout options here, and you will just copy this code and then put it into your website, or if you're utilizing it inside of TBM360, then you'd be able to embed it right into your website or funnel in here. You can also share it, okay, by copying the link or sharing it on your socials. And you can also send it out via email directly from this setting here. So it's really pretty cool. Now don't forget before you're done to make sure that you click that good old save button. Guys, surveys and forms are really good to grow your database, to actually put into automations and automate your follow-up sequences and make sure that you're nurturing your clients, growing your list, and increasing your conversions. It's your girl Cassiopeia of TBM360, and I'll see you in the next video.